Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Fortnite high ping in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So this generally is caused because of your internet issue. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and right click on your network and then go to network and internet settings. This is where you want to simply go ahead and click on either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected with. Then on here on the DNS Server Assignment, click on edit, and this is where it is going to look something like that for you, which is going to be on automatic DHCP. Turn that to manual and turn on IPv4 and put this exact preferred DNS and alternate DNS and click on save. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and run the command prompt. So simply go ahead and run the command prompt, and this is where you want to write ipconfig /flushdns and click on enter, and this is going to simply go ahead and flush the DNS resolver. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and try to restart your PC, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.